spin connected at A and the rest against the smooth support at B determine the horizontal and vertical components of reaction at the pin. So here's our diagram. We have our degree of 30 and the meter is 0.25 and we have our force 60, we do it out a meter of 1 meter. And we have a moment of 90 Newton meter. Here's our free body diagram. We have our NB in 30 degrees. We have our pin A. We have two components of AX and AY. So first we're going to get the moment of A because of the moment sa point A nalang tayo ang components ng moment of A. So our negative 90 nanometer and minus 60 we have our 1 meter and NB plus NB times 0.75 meter. So our NB is 100 Newton. To summation of Fx equals 0 is Ax is minus 200. Pero NB is 200 Newton. And for our Ax is 100 sine 30 Newton. So our Ax is 100 Newton. Our summation of Fy equals to 0 is Ay minus 100 cos 30 Newton minus 60 Newton. We have our Ay was 233. Question?
So how did you solve for the moment of A?
To solve our summation of moment of A, we have moment of 90 Newton meter negative because patapos lang po itong positive is clockwise niya clockwise. So patapos siya negative 90 Newton meter and 60 is maubos. Diya po sila minus 60 Newton meter na naman meter kaya yung distance patapos sa